Gotta finish Santa's. Can't cut in Santa's line. John William. We're live on the internet now.
Hi, Kirby.
Ooh, a rotating charger.
Rotating charger.
Rotating charger. And charger sync.
What's it for? What does it charge?
What is that? Oh, it's a phone thing.
Like iPod? Oh, is that you charge the iPod?
Oh, good. You needed one of those.
You don't have an iPod? He has an iPod? Who has an iPod if you have an Android?
Well, I know, but sometimes they have the iPod. I also got it for me for Christmas.
Let's see.
Valentine's.
Oh. You better remember, John. You better remember.
Oh, I remember. It was definitely
I
Christmas.
didn't get him anything that Christmas. That's how I know I didn't get it for him for Christmas.
What did I get? Sweet toys.
Oh, I think Daddy likes those. Do you like those, Daddy?
Oh, I love them.
Santa's new.
More of these.
Oh, yes.
Those are the good ones.
More!
Santa's trying to tell me something here.
Fresh breath,
You
Dad.
get
Fresh
minty.
breath.
Mint it up.
Lots of fresh breath.
Mom, look at
Oh, that he likes that kind too.
Yes.
more spacey gum.
Yes.
Oh, that's my phone.
Oh, is that it? Oh, is that your phone?
Oh, Dad.